Hello, we're learning to play Roll Up, which is one of the exercises from the Trinity Grade 4 syllabus. Tricky little piece this. There's a lot of chromatic stuff in it, which basically means notes. Notes that are very close to each other. And as the title suggests, Roll Up has a bit of a circus feel. Things that are chromatic always sound a bit circusy, I find, especially if it involves a little bit of contrast with legato and staccato in there. There's a few ways you could approach this. I think the simplest thing is just to get to grips with the whole of the right hand first of all. Just to say it is in A flat major, which has 4 flats in it. So if you're playing the right hand scale, you would have 2 flats there, thumb under, then another 2 flats, and then 2 flats, and then 2 flats, something like that. So have a little recap of your A flat major scale with your right hand, because this is going to be useful to help you get the right notes. But also bear in mind that there's quite a lot of chromatic stuff in here. So have a little go at just some chromatic work. Just starting on A flats. That sort of thing. Right, okay. So first bit, thumb on A flat, little finger on E flat, and then you've got a G. It doesn't tell you what fingering to use, so you could go, or you could go. I think start on your thumb, move your thumb, move your thumb. Think of it this way, thumb there, then thumb there. Okay, so the way that works, you go thumb, little finger, thumb down again, then back to that E flat you just played, then a D flat, then thumb on F. So can you see what the thumb's doing? The thumb's there, the thumb's here, the thumb's here, the thumb's here, and on the next phrase, the thumb's going to be here as well. So we get thumb on G flat, thumb on F. Now just move your thumb down and go down a semitone like that. Now I know normally in chromatic you do 3, but you just use 2 here. Because then you've got to get your little finger up on D flat, thumb on G natural, and then walk up a scale. Up 3 notes. Show you all that again. So A flat, E flat, G with your thumb on G flat, E flat, D flat, thumb on F, thumb on F flat, cross down, little finger up on G flat, thumb on G natural, A flat, E flat, C. So you're going to need to play that lots and lots and lots. So that's the whole of the first line though. Okay, so I'll play it once more. You may well want to pause the video and just do some work on the first line in the right hand, but I'll show you once more. So here it is with the correct staccatos and legatos. Like that. I'll show you again. So as I say, pause the video, go back over it if you need, or if you're ready, here's the second line. Now, second line, thumb on C, little finger up on A flat. So you've got a little chord there, then you've got another chord with an E flat over it, like that. So you go, okay, so A flat at the top, then the third on an E flat, 2 C's under it. And it's going to be staccato, okay? And then you're going to bring your thumb onto D flat, your little finger onto G. So you got this. Watch you don't go, start doing lots of twisting. If anything, just move, just slide in to get, it's hard to see on the camera, but just, you see the little slide in I did there? So I'm just sliding in to get my thumb onto the end of the flat and keep my hand square to the piano. Now, next chord, little fingers on G, bring your little finger onto G flat instead. So then thumb still on B flat. Then you bring your thumb to C, and then your second finger on D flat and your fourth on F natural to make that chord. I'll show you again. So B flat, G flat, thumb on the C, restrike, 2 on D flat, 4 on F natural. So need to go back over those a bit. So you got, here it is again. So thumb on C, little finger up there on A flat, thumb down onto B flat, G flat at the top, And the last bit's fairly easy because it's just chromatic. Starting on D natural and on your thumb. Okay, so 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So some of it's played with chromatic fingering, some of it isn't. Starts going 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and it's going to get quieter. And then the last chord, A flat at the top, thumb on there. So here's the whole of the second line. Now that last chord was the same as the beginning of the second line. One, two, loud. And you have an accent over that last note. Right, here you might want to do a little bit of work on that, but here is the whole of the right hand, okay? So it's counted in twos. I'll just put the clicker on a sec so you can hear. So those are minutes. So it's 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and something like that. Okay, here it is. One, two, and that's the whole of the right hand. I'll do a final one slowed down. 4. Get quieter. 1, 2. Lots of work on that. Then on to the next video where we're going to look at the left hand part.